Hey everybody, so we got another Tech Pack box. This one's the June box. So let's rip into this thing and see what we got. We'll see you in a minute. Alrighty, let's dig in. Hey Jesse, let's cook. This box is pretty big. I was like, what is this thing? Oh snap. Alright, you guys see it? Okay, so looks like we got a where's the little, there we go. There we go. Camtrax hatchet. Nice. The ultimate boonie hat. Raven concealment mag carrier. Camelus choff folding knife. Oh. Earthworm operator. Plus item. Something's MyFac standard from MyMedic. MyFac is a comprehensive and compact first aid kit. Oh, FAC first aid kit. Nice. Oh, July hints. Standard box. Gun stuff. Sharp stuff, maintenance stuff, all the stuff. Plus box, double trouble EDC gear from two amazing American brands. Oh yeah, and don't forget they get the Patriot Pack. That's an anybody got $600-700? Their Patriot Packs are crazy. So let's dig in here and see what we got. Here's that boonie hat. Awesome. Tech Pack. Sweet. Awesome. What else we got? Oh dang, they weren't joking when they. Oh, look at this thing, titanium. Cool. The choff. It's like some kind of folding knife. Pretty cool. Awesome. Can always never have too many of these. Yo, this is why it was so heavy. Look at this, and some kind of axe, titanium axe. Triple edge grind. Crazy. Oh, look, it's even got a holster or whatever for it. This is cool. I never had like a tactical axe. Oh, this is the concealed magwell holder or whatever. Cool. Don't forget our earthworm gym operator. That's who that is. And wow, look at this med pack. This is awesome. MyMedic. Sweet. It's I don't want to open it up too much and oh yeah, bud. She all jam-packed in there. Wow. Cool. I'll have to dig through this a little bit more. Alright, hang on a second. Alright everybody. So I think we had some pretty good stuff in this one too. The axe is pretty neat. I like that. I think probably this MyMedic bag is pretty awesome, and of course the all the sharp knife bits. Those are always good. So that was the June box. Can't wait for July's box. So I'm gonna put some of this together. I need to get a tote and cram all this stuff together. But that's it for this one. We'll see you on the next one, and remember, be careful out there. Easy.